Poiseuille mechanism. Poiseuille mechanism is classified under exact straight line mechanism. So it is also 8 bar or 8 link mechanism. Let me first explain how to draw that. So first one fixed link. Let us consider name as A and O. AO is fixed link. Then same as AO, one another link OQ is there. So OQ and AO both have a same length. AO equal to OQ. Now here one parallelogram is there in Poiseuille mechanism. End point is, let us consider P name. Here it is say B and C. Again AC and AB both are linked and both have a same length. So AB equal to AC. In same way, link in this parallelogram have a same length. So CQ equal to QB equal to BP equal to PC. So this one is total 8 link mechanism. All are binary link. So let us start to prove how it is move in a straight line. In case when we consider imaginary line over here, say this one is imaginary line, angle QB with AQ, say fourth angle, say this one is second angle, say here it is first angle, and this one is say third angle. So we can consider this one is full 360 degree. So from diagram we can understand that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 360 degree. In same way, PA is one line, single line. So angle 1 and angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3 will be 180 degree according to this diagram only. And in same way, angle 2 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Say in this diagram AP is again single line, so this one is 4 and this one is 2, so total it is 180 degree angle. So let us start to prove. For that, let me consider same diagram with larger scale. I already did that. Say this one is the diagram with larger scale. Say A and P at some position it is straight line. Now when AQ rotate, it is crank, so it will be rotate like this. Rotation of AQ. So new position of Q is over here. At same time this parallelogram will be compressed and P point will become over here. Say new position P dash. Now I want to prove this AP dash is one straight line. If it is straight line, then P and P dash will be on a vertical line. So that we can prove. For that, let us consider two triangles. Analyze two triangles, namely AQQ dash and APP dash. Two triangle AQQ dash and APP dash. From this triangle AQQ dash and APP dash, when you observe diagram, AQQ dash will be this triangle. It is right angle triangle. Here it is right angle. In same way, AP and P dash, AP dash and P, it is right angle triangle. So let me draw separate diagram. So AQQ dash is like this. Here it is Q dash, Q and A. In same way, APP dash is like this. Here it is P dash, P and A. So this one is right angle. See in this diagram also, this one is right angle triangle, while this one is again right angle triangle. So for similar triangle, both are similar. For similar triangle, I can write that AQ in same way over here it is which is AQ? Let's consider this one is the angle, say theta. It is adjacent side. For same way, over here theta will be this one, both theta are same. So AP dash is adjacent side. AQ and AP dash. This one is called hypotenuse and here it is hypotenuse. So adjacent side of theta is AQ and adjacent side of in second triangle it is AP dash. So AQ upon AP dash equal to, let's consider hypotenuse. So it is AQ dash in first triangle, hypotenuse, and in second triangle it is AP. Why I written this ratio? Because I want to prove that AP dash is perfect straight line. So I will prove it is perfect straight line. For that, let us consider cross multiplication. So you will have AQ dash multiplied by AP dash over here, and AQ into AP, it is over here. Now in this diagram, what do we mean by A to Q distance and A to P distance? Let us say here it is A to P over here. For that, say this one is the parallelogram and intermediate point, let's consider it is R. So I can say A to P equal to A to R plus R to P. So over here A to P is A to R plus R to P. In same way, A to Q distance I can consider A to R minus QR. QR and PR both are same. So you may consider either QR or PR. So let us consider it is AR minus QR in both cases. So QR and PR both are same. So I can write AR minus QR, AR plus QR. In this diagram you can say Q to R and P to R both are same distance because this one is parallelogram. So we can write AR square minus QR square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now what do you mean by AR from this diagram? So in this diagram this one is AR. So it is one side of this right angle triangle. One side of right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, it is hypotenuse square means AC square equal to CR square plus AR square. AC square equal to CR square, AR square. So let us write value of AR square from this equation. When you take CR on this side, it is AC square minus CR square. So AR square equal to AC square minus CR square minus. What do you mean by QR? QR is this one. So again I can consider QR is side of this right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle I can write Pythagoras theorem QC square equal to CR square plus QR square. Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse square equal to sum of two side square. So from this we can write QR equal to QC square minus CR square. So QR square equal to QC square minus CR square. Now when you open this bracket, this minus and minus going to plus. So plus CR and minus CR will be cancelled out. Remaining is AC square minus QC square. On this side it is AQ dash into AP dash. So when you consider AP dash, it is AC square minus QC square upon AQ dash. Now observe these three. AC, where is AC in this diagram? AC is over here, that is fixed length. So length remains fixed, so rigid. It is fixed length. AC, it is one link, so it never compress or elongate. It is rigid, means AC distance remains same, constant. So AC is constant. Now let us observe QC. Where is QC? Yes, QC is also one link. So again it is constant value. Now AQ dash. Where is AQ dash? AQ dash. AQ dash equal to AO plus OQ dash. Now what is length of OQ dash? OQ dash will be same as OQ, because OQ link will be rotate and come over here at new position. So again this distance will be fixed, it is not compressed. Q dash P dash is compressed like this. When you see video of Poisselier mechanism, then you can understand this QP distance is variable. So AO is constant and OQ dash is constant. That's why completely OQ length is constant. So here all three terms are constant. Thus AP dash is constant. So we can say that PP dash always it is always straight line. From this we can write that P moves in one line or straight line, exact straight line. So this one is Poisselier mechanism.